Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: Wallpaper Engine installed and Steam running. First, open Wallpaper Engine and go straight to Settings. Enable the Screensaver option so Windows can call it. Next, pick a wallpaper that supports Screensaver mode. Animated or video works best because static images won't animate. Once done, enable Run on Startup to keep it active, and make sure you close other apps that claim the lock screen. This prevents conflicts when Windows tries to launch the screensaver. Now configure behavior so the screensaver behaves reliably. Open Windows Personalization Lock Screen Screensaver settings, select Wallpaper Engine from the list, and set an activation time like 5 minutes to balance visibility and power. Back in Wallpaper Engine, pick the specific scene and open its properties. Lower FPS and pause audio if you want quieter, lighter performance. Once done, preview the screensaver to confirm animations and transitions run smoothly and that your GPU/CPU usage stays within acceptable limits. Finish by saving your Wallpaper Engine profile and testing the screensaver under real conditions. Lock your PC and let it activate, and check on battery versus plugged in to verify power settings. If the screensaver fails to start, make sure Windows is set to use Wallpaper Engine and that Steam is allowed to run in background. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing happens, reset Wallpaper Engine settings or switch to a lightweight scene. This isolates whether the issue is a heavy wallpaper, permissions, or software conflict.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.